exercise 2.2 question number 3 and 4 will be discussed in this part. So let's start. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. Here we are given polynomials against which the value of variable is given. जब हम इस वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे x में, अगर हमारा आंसर 0 आ गया, it means it is a zero of a polynomial. We have discussed what are the zeros of polynomial, and अगर 0 नहीं आया, so it will not be considered as its 0. So let's start. In this way, we'll put minus 1 upon 3 here. 3 into minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. 3 will be cut by 3. We'll get minus 1 plus 1 which is equals to 0. Polynomial की value 0 आ गई. So we can write here surely, yes, x equal minus 1 upon 3 is the zero of given polynomial. Next part, px is equals to 5x minus pi. X is equals to 4 upon 5 is given. So let's see. 4 upon 5. 5 into 4 upon 5. We'll write it simply pi only. We'll not solve it. 4 minus pi. We know what is the value of pi. 3.14 something. So we'll get our answer 1.14. This is the approx value, but it is not 0. ये 0 तो नहीं है ना? Implies we can say no, x equal 4 upon 5 is not 0 of given polynomial. Let's see the third part. Px is equals to x square minus 1. We are given two values to check. First of all, we have to check at x equal 1 and then at x equal minus 1. So first of all, we'll check P1. 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Polynomial की value 0 आ गई. So we can write yes, 1 is the zero of given polynomial. Now we'll check for P minus 1. We'll get minus 1 square minus 1. We know minus 1 का जब हम square करेंगे we'll get 1. 1 minus 1 again 0. So yes, minus 1 is also the zero of given polynomial. Clear? Let's see the fourth part. Px is equals to x plus 1 into x minus 2. First of all, we'll check at x equal minus 1. P minus 1 will be here. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0 into minus 3 is equals to 0. Polynomial की value 0 आ गई. So yes, minus 1 is the zero of given polynomial. We can write like this. Now we'll check at x equal 2. We will write here P2, 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Multiply 2 minus 2 is 0. Answer again is 0. So yes, 2 is the zero of given polynomial. Let's see fifth part. Px is equals to x square. We have to check at x equals 0. So we'll put 0 here. 0 square is 0. Yes, 0 is the 0 of given polynomial. Px is equals to Lx plus m. X is equals to minus m upon L. माइनस m अपॉन L हम पुट करेंगे इसमें P माइनस m अपॉन L. L इंटू माइनस m upon L plus m. It will be cut by this minus m plus m, means m minus m, that is equals to 0. So we can write here, yes, x equal minus m upon L is the 0 of given polynomial. Px is equals to 3x square minus 1. First value of x we have to check at minus 1 upon root 3 and the second 2 upon root 3. Let's check for minus 1 upon root 3 first. 3 into minus 1 upon root 3 whole square minus 1. First of all, we'll solve the bracket. We'll get here 1 and root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1. 3 will be cut by 3. What we'll get? Here a bracket will come and then a 0. So we can write here, yes, minus 1 upon root 3 is the 0 of given polynomial. Now we'll check at P 2 upon 3. 3 into 2 upon root 3 whole square minus 1. We'll solve the bracket. 4 upon 3 minus 1. 3 will be cut by 3. What we'll get? 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. 0 तो नहीं आएगा हमारा आंसर. So we will write here no. 2 upon root 3 is not 0 of given 0 of given polynomial. Now we'll see the 8th part. Px is equals to 2x plus 1. We have to put half in place of x. So let's see. 1 upon 2. 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 will be cut by 2. 1 plus 1. It is equals to 2. Polynomial की value हमारी 0 नहीं आई. So we can write here no. 1 upon 2 is not the 0 of given polynomial. Now let's see the question number 4. Find the 0 of polynomials in each of the following cases. We know how to find the 0 of a polynomial. We have seen in the part of concept. We'll put Px equals to 0 implies x plus 5 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 5. So this is the 0 of the polynomial. जब भी हम -5 इसमें पुट करेंगे तो हमारा polynomial की वैल्यू हमेशा 0 आएगी. So this is the method to find out the 0 of a polynomial. Let's see the second part. Again we'll put Px equals 0 implies x minus 5 is equals to 0. X equals to 5. This is the 0 of the given polynomial. Px is equals to 2x plus 5. Px is equals to 0 implies 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to minus 5. X is equals to minus 5 upon 2. So this is the 0 of the given polynomial. Px is equals to 3x minus 2. Px equals 0 implies 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. 3x equal to minus में इधर प्लस में चला जाएगा. X is equals to 2 upon 3. Px is equals to 3x. Again we'll do the same. Px equals 0 implies 3x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 upon 3 implies x equals to 0. So here 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Here again, here it is given a condition a not equals to 0 because अगर a 0 होगी तो polynomial की value itself 0 हो जाएगी. Implies ax equals to 0. X is equals to 0 upon a. X equals to 0 is the answer. Last part, px is equals to cx plus d. C not equals to 0, otherwise ये constant polynomial हो जाएगा और c and d are real numbers. So we'll do the same thing. Px is equals to 0 implies cx plus d, again 0. Cx is equals to minus d. We'll shift this side. X is equals to minus d upon c. So this is the 0 of the given polynomial. I hope the concept of zeros of a polynomial must be clear to you. If you have any doubt in any of the question, you can comment in comment section.